YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to another mini album page. On this one, you're going to need, put this aside, you're going to need this is a tag, and it's 7 3/8 by 11. And then you're going to need a pocket, which is 8 7/16 by 3 1/2. Okay, so that's your measurement there and your measurement there. On the inside of your tag, you're going to have a couple of tuck spots. So you're going to need 2 of them, and they are 5 7/16 by 1. Okay. So we'll put the tag together in a little bit. Of course, you're going to need your base page. So let's start with our pocket. I'm sorry, our belly band. So pretty. I did an edge punch on here, Martha Stewart, and you can use any punch you like. There's the punch. I need my tape. Go ahead and get our tape down. All right. Get our pokey tool and remove our tape backing. And before I do put this down, I want to put down my back piece, which is this one here. Which is, no, this is not the right one. Is this the right one? No. So we have to make one. Let's find one. We'll use our 8 by 8 pad. This is really pretty. Oh, let's go with this one. It's beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this one. And we're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch all the way around, or 1/16 of an inch, depending on what you want to do. Let's get this stuff out of our way. We cut our paper. See how we did. Oh yeah, I like that. We'll ink around the edges. all you really want to do is ink the white part that shows. Okay. And let's get our Xyron out. Remove our top cellophane, and then you can remove your paper. Be careful of your score line. You don't want to put it on top of that. There we go. Burnish that down. Now we can put our belly band on. Try to center it as best as you can. There we go. There. Burnish that down real good. And then I have a paper for here for decorating. One. This one right here. That's pretty. Just like that. That's nice. I love that. Now let's work on our booklet. Okay. Let's do the inside sheets first. Remove your tape backing. On this one I use scrapbook.com big roll tape, the 6-inch tape. Since I have so much of it left over from a project I was working on. Same for this. Awesome. Beautiful colors on this paper pack. Okay, and then we have these two that are going to go down as our tuck spots. You want to just glue this on 3 sides and then place it down. And we'll do the same on this side. Let's cut this down just a little bit. And again, you want to glue on 3 sides. Alright, then I have decorative paper for there and here. There we go. Then we have our tags that come in the pack, so you can place them in like so. Now our front has this big beautiful piece. Try not to put it on upside down. There we go. And that is our tag. This slides right inside of there. And we are all done. You notice I don't have a stopper on here. That's because the tag itself is thick enough to keep it from falling in and out, which I really appreciate. And so it won't fall out. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.